Another option that we can use for open source intelligence is SSLLabs.com. And what this is going to do is a tool that pretty much tests the server to see if the SSL settings are set correctly. So it'll tell you, like, for example, if a website is still accepting SSL 3.0 or TLS 1.0 or 1.1. It's going to be able to tell you that, which is very useful. It's something that, your clients might want to know when you're on a penetration test, because using vulnerable, SSL or TLS settings could be potentially an issue and cause stuff like man in the middle attacks to happen. So this is the SSLLabs.com website, so we can go ahead and actually click on test your server. It has other functions too, obviously, but let's go ahead and see. Let's try my website, AnthonyTimbers.com, and let's see what the results look like. So it's testing different SSL settings and TLS settings and looking at my certificates and such, and pretty much trying to figure out what's going on. And it's going to give us results. So it might take like a couple of minutes, so let's just wait, and then we'll go ahead and come back and look at the results. We have our results. So the results for AnthonyTimbers.com, we got a B, a solid B. I wasn't mad at B's when I got those in college. All right, I was very happy. My certificate checks out very well. We support TLS 1.3, but we need to actually go and disable, maybe TLS 1.0 and 1.1, because those have actually been proven recently to be vulnerable. So that's something that needs to be changed. And don't worry, by the time this course is published, it will be changed. I'm not worried. It gives you information about like certificates and such, a lot of different things, and lets you know how long things are valid. So let's see. This needs to be updated. So a lot of stuff in here, very, very useful.